Good morning, standard 10 student. Today I am going to explain you how to do the multiplication of the matrix. Okay. Listen here. A matrix I have taken A, B, C, D of order 2 is to 2. 2 row and 2 column. B matrix I am going to take L, M, N, P. This is also 2 is to 2. First one is row, second one is column. First one is row, second one is column. Multiplication of the matrix is possible only when AB, I am writing AB, means we have to multiply A with B. Then we will see the column of the first, it must be equal to the row of the second. If it is not equal, immediately write multiplication of matrix is not possible. Once again written, A and B multiply means column of the first must be equal to the row of the second matrix. If we write BA, then column of B must be equal to the row of the A. If it is not equal, directly write the multiplication of matrix is not possible. Reason, the column of the first matrix is not equal to the row of the matrix. So here, this is row, this is column, this is row, this is column. The column of A is 2 and the row of B is 2. This is equal. Now multiplication is possible. After knowing the fact whether multiplication is possible or not, how to multiply? Follow the general rule. That's why I am not taking the digit. I have taken A, B, C, D. Follow it. How to multiply it? A, B. Take the row of the first matrix and multiply with the column of the second matrix. Right? Row of the first matrix. Right? Take the row of the first matrix and multiply the both column of the matrix second matrix. And how to multiply? A into L plus B into N. A into L plus B into N. And you have to add. Now first row multiply with the first column. Similarly, first row multiply with the second column. A into M plus B into P. Right? So first row multiply with the first column, first row multiply with the second column. Now second row multiply with the first column, second row multiply with the second column. C into L plus D into N equal to C into M plus D into N. This is the rule to multiply the matrix. What? The column of the first must be equal to the row of the second, then multiplication of the matrix is possible. After saying that, how to multiply? Take the row of the first, multiply with the column of the second matrix, and you have to add. So that's why I have taken the general rule, not the digit one. You follow this rule and do the multiplication of the matrix. Now, A 3 5 minus 1 2, B 4 7. We have to find AB and BA. We have to verify whether AB is equal to BA possible or not. So AB, first one, AB. So column, this is 2 is to 2 order. And this is 2 row into one column, two row and one column, 2:1. Now AB, the column of the first matrix is 2, see, and row of the first matrix is also 2. So these are equal. So multiplication is possible. How we multiply? 3. 3 into 4 plus 5 into 7. 5 into 7. So from first row, column is multiplied. Now from second row, you have to multiply this column. Minus 1 into 4 plus 2 into 7. So this is 12 plus 35 minus 4 plus 14, that is equal to 7, 47 and 10. 8. So column of the first A is equal to the row of the second, so multiplication is possible. So how to multiply now? So from the first row we have to multiply column of second matrix. So 3 into 4 plus 5 into 7. So from first row only one column is there, multiply. Now from the second column, again second row we have to multiply the column. So minus 1 into 4 plus 2 into 7, that is equal to 47 and 10 is coming. Now check BA. BA. So column of the first is 1 and row of the first is column 1, row is 2. This is not equal. Not equal, na? So we will write the column of the, when we multiply BA means column of the B must be equal to the row of the second. So column of B is 1 here and row of the A is 2, which is not equal. So BA is not possible. So we can say that AB not equal to BA. So what we conclude? Multiplication of matrix is not commutative. Multiplication of matrix is not commutative. Multiplication of matrix is not commutative. Right? A 1 3 minus 2 0. B 2 4 5 1. C minus 3 4 minus 3 4 6 0. We have to verify A B C is equal to A B C. Yes. So what we will do? A first AB multiply A and B. This is 2 is to 2. This is 2 is to 2. This is also 2 is to 2. So A first column is 2, row is B, row is 2. So multiplication is possible. So how to multiply AB? AB 1 into 2 plus 3 into 5, 1 into 4 plus 3 into 1, minus 2 into 2 plus 0 into 5, minus 2 into 4 plus 0 into 1. Yes. So AB become 2 plus 15, 4 plus 3 minus 4 plus 0 minus 8 plus 0, that is equal to 17, 7 minus 4 minus 8. Right. Now ABC. So AB is 17, 7 minus 4 minus 8. This order 2:2. And C matrix is minus 3, 4, 6, 0. This is also 2:2. So column of the first equal to the row of the second. Again multiplication. So first you multiply AB, then what result you will get? From that result you have to multiply C. Similarly here, first you multiply BC. What result you will get? From that result you have to multiply with A. If both are equal, AB into C is equal to A into BC, both are equal, means it verified. It proved that AB into C is equal to AB into C. Right? If not equal, then you have to write it is not equal, not possible. So some more question I will solve you tomorrow in next video, and today I will give you some question to solve. Thank you very much.